Now I will tell you about my process. Okay, the start of the process is I shut off all the channels. I completely isolate myself from the world. Absolute isolation. So what am I left with? I don't go to the internet for news. I don't look at the channels, business channels. I don't look at newspapers. You won't believe I do not look at newspapers. I have not read a newspaper headline for the last 20 years. I don't do it. If you look at the process, you will see all these external news, quote unquote news, actually is a hindrance. वो आपके प्रोसेस को पोल्यूट करती है. It dilutes the process. But having said that, अगर आपका जो न्यूज देता है वो अगर इफेक्टिव है तो आप वही करिए. सही है, इसमें कोई गलती नहीं है.
SBI सिक्योरिटी कैप का आईपीओ निकला था, कोई आईपीओ क्या जानता भी नहीं था. जस्ट बिकॉज SBI सिक्योरिटी कैप आईपीओ हेडलाइन आप जो बोले ना, हेडलाइन हम यूज करते थे, तो वहाँ पे तो हेडलाइन में सबको घर पे आता ही आता. लॉकडाउन से पहले का टाइम था, सबको चलो घर पे क्या पैसा लगाना, सबने पैसा लगा दिया. कोई जानता भी नहीं है व्हाट इज.
दैट इज करेक्ट.
लगा दी तो अभी भी सोच पे कि मिलेगा.
So as long as your news actually works for you, please go for that news. It is perfectly all right that you don't follow my method, but my method is for the rest of them who want to get into the stock market, who have got no avenues for news, who do not have anything but their own judgment and logical framework to select and then make money out of stocks. Are we clear about that? Right? So I'll start with the process. The first process is isolate yourself from every goddamn news. Right? You know why? There is a reason for that. For the rest of us, not him. If he is happy with it, perfectly all right. Right? Because the reason is you won't be able to confirm the veracity of that news. आपको कैसे पता है कि साला ये फर्जी है न्यूज़ है कि नहीं है? नहीं पता ना आपको यार. Probability में देखो तो वो 50-50 हो जाता है. 50-50 हो सकता है, 50-50 नहीं हो सकता है. So if it is basically a flip of a coin, why the hell would I even take it? Right? So there goes your news. We are done with the news. Most of the companies give fraudulent documents. Okay? So we are done with the fundamentals. Right? What are we left with? We are just left with the charts. Just the charts. अब हम चार्ट देखेंगे. We'll see a chart. What you need to do is trade tiger to ek karo on karo. Let's have the Nifty chart. Oh, that is you can very easily get on a platform. अगर आप शेर खान में हो, so you can get it. ठीक है. अगर आप ICICI सिक्योरिटीज में हो तो I am not very sure. एंजल में कौन आपका एंजल है? तो एंजल if you are subscribing to Angel Broking, you can get it there. So I'll show you one platform, one such platform which we use. It is Sher Khan Trade Tiger. Trade Tiger is the name of the software. ठीक है. It is really good. It is really good. But Sher Khan right now, Sher Khan Kolkata branch is crap. But this thing is the technicals are really good. Really good. नहीं है. सब कुछ है. But management is really not good. ठीक है. क्योंकि मेरा उनके साथ 20 साल का रिश्ता है. So I know ins and out of Sher Khan. In fact, I know the system better than people in Sher Khan. ठीक है. तो मैं आपको कुछ दिखा रहा हूँ. I'll show you certain things, and we will try to understand what Nifty is going to do. Okay? Sorry? No. We will try to understand what Nifty is going to do in the next few days. आप जब स्टॉक मार्केट में आते हो, when you get into the stock market, we know that we do it because our interest rates are low. Right? We need to make more money. The interest rate today, the effective interest rates in India, do you know what the effective interest rates of India are? Effective interest rates, not the interest rate that the bank gives you. How much do you get on a 3-year FD? Normal, 6.5%. ठीक है. The IndusInd actually gives you a little bit more, 6.6%. No, 6.5%. Sorry, and rest of them actually give you less than that. Okay. SBI is 5.6, right? And then ICICI would be in that in that ballpark, right? That it would be in that ballpark. What is the rate of inflation? There are two types of rates of inflation, right? One is the consumer price index. We call it the CPI inflation. The ones who are commerce guys, they can help me out with this. So CPI, one is the consumer price index, and the other is the WPI, wholesale price index. So what is the consumer price index right now? How much is the rate of inflation? Believe me, it would be more than what they give you in the fixed deposits. 6.5 to 7%. ठीक है, आपको अगर 5.5% मिल रहा हो, okay, और आपका rate of inflation which is cutting into the actual buying power of the interest that you get is more than the interest that you're getting, what is the effective rate of inflation? Perfect, that is exactly correct. We don't understand that. We don't understand that. We are actually losing money by keeping into the fixed deposits. But we still do it. Why do we do it? There is a reason for that. It is basically risk, right? वहाँ पे आपने रख दिया, आपने रख दिया stock market, fixed deposit है. After 3 years, you know that there is a guaranteed return. That is correct. हमने तो अभी तक we haven't yet even calculated the TDS part of it, which is how much is it? It is 10%. That is correct. So just imagine, आपने अगर स्टॉक मार्केट में नहीं रखा पैसा, कोई किसी भी स्पेक्युलेटिव जगह पे, I should not be using the word stock market, I should be using the word capital markets. The difference between capital markets and stock market is that there are various types of capital markets. One of them happens to be the stock market. The rest of them are, you can, let's say the precious metals market. That is one of the capital markets. Bond market, that is another market, right? Then there is the IPO market, that is also another way of. Real estate market is also capital markets. Anywhere where and you create an asset by giving money and get a return is a capital market, right? So one of the reasons, one of the most compelling reasons, I would use the word compelling, that pushes you into the lap of the stock market is basically because of the negative effective interest rates, right? You cannot actually think of making a real return, I am using the word real return, if you did not actually beat the consumer price index. So that should be your benchmark. मेरा consumer price index कितना है अभी 7.5% है, तो if I am deploying my money, I should be getting little more than 7.5%, right?
Or 7.5%.
Or at least that. But then I would not do it, because if I am getting at least that, then I'd rather go for the riskless thing, right? Because there is a risk involved in the stock market, so I would not do it.
At least the return from the stock market should be 15 to 16% to appreciate the.
That's a great point. Absolutely agree. Minimum 15. So double, because you're taking so much of risk. So what he is in effect suggesting is that if we are looking for a stock market return which is 100% more than what we get out of consumer price index, we are not talking about fixed deposits anymore at all. You know why the government is doing this to us? It is not the government's interest. It is the हाँ बोल रहे हैं ना, हाँ मालूम है कैसे बोलते हैं, ये आपको मुंह पर नहीं बोलेंगे, कैसे करते हैं लोग, मुंह पे नहीं बोलेंगे, आपकी बात सही है, कोई गवर्नमेंट ऐसे नहीं बोलेगा कि भाई इन्वेस्ट इन म्यूचुअल फंड, वो भी है, पर बेसिकली व्हाट दे डू इज they force you into the lap of the stock markets by reducing the interest rates. The only thing RBI needs to do, who does it? RBI does it, right? So the only thing RBI needs to do is reduce the interest rates. That's it. You don't have any bloody avenue. You have to go there. Either through mutual funds, or you invest in real estate, or you invest wherever it is more than whatever you're getting in the stock markets.
So
No, we'll talk about the NPAs later on. Let us not get into it, because we would be digressing from our topic, right? And you're absolutely correct. That is a major headache. It is not a major headache. It is a self-created headache, because you will remember every one of these defaulters has got political connections. Me and you, if we went to আমার কাছে একটা ভিডিও আছে দেখবেন ইউটিউবে, please search this up, and I found that there is a guy who's making a prank call to HDFC Bank. 2000 करोड़ दे यार, 2000 करोड़ दे, मुझे बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है। तो बोले क्या क्या करेगा? बोले भजिया तलूंगा। ठीक है। एंड ही बकायदा जाता है और वो उसके साथ जो ये है ना वहां पे जो क्या नाम है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वो जो ऑपरेटर है बराबर, उसके साथ बकायदा लोन डिपार्टमेंट के ऑपरेटर के साथ उसकी बकायदा वहां पर कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है। यार मेरे को दे 2000 करोड़। तो बोले कैसे 2000 करोड़? हाउ द हेल डिड यू कम अप विद इट? So, well, you literally give these kind of monies to everyone. So I thought maybe, I stand a chance. So everybody knew it's a prank call. But this is what the banking system has come to. And this is basically because criminals who are not industrialists, they actually fund our politicians to win elections and in return get loans that they never return. And whose money is it? Your money, my money, everybody else's money. So that is what's insured? Nothing is insured. Let's take this thing out of our heads. Nothing is insured. Gone means gone. Because who is going to insure the banks? Reinsurance companies? Have you ever heard of a reinsurance company insuring the banks? No way. Yes, वहां पे exceptions है. There are exceptions. Only 3 banks qualify as too large to fail banks in India. Which are those 3? So please remember this. This is a piece of advice that I should be charging you for. There are only 3 banks. Keep your FDs in only 3 banks. ICICI Bank, SBI Bank and HDFC Bank. Why? Because they have been actually nominated by an act of parliament that these are too large to fail banks, which means your money is safe forever. Reinsurance, somebody said reinsurance. Okay, that reinsurance thing is only applicable to 3 banks in India. Your money is 100% reinsured. If you kept it in PNB is a public sector bank. If PNB declared bankruptcy right now, how much will you get? I think 1 lakh.
Yeah, no matter how much.
No matter how much you have. Please take your money off every goddamn bank. If you have kept it in fixed deposits, if there are fixed deposits, put them in these 3 banks. Now, we went too much off topic. Coming back to, so we will come back to our process. So we start with this, that we do not know anything about the stock market. Keep yourself in isolation. Try this, please. I want you to try this. Keep yourself in isolation, in news isolation. I call it bullshit isolation. Okay? Please keep yourself in bullshit isolation. You know what it does? Firstly, it actually forces you to think harder. Why? Because you do not have crutches. It forces you to think harder. How do I preserve my capital more? So, we will start with a little demonstration. Usually, this is the usual method. And this is our method. Usually what you do, you take tips. Second is, you watch news.
News, call support from broker.
Right? So that comes to tips. Okay? You watch news. Third is, you do fundamental analysis. Based on
False document.
usually, not always, usually. Now, would you say that an HDFC Bank performance report, right? If the HDFC Bank budget or an HDFC Bank PLN account, is it better than any Lala company? Of course it is, right? Of course it is. But are you going to buy HDFC Bank all the time? Not happening, right? कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि साला हमने बहुत पैसा कमाया एक पर्टिकुलर एक स्पेसिफिक स्टॉक से, हम ऊब जाते हैं, we get bored of that particular stock. Let's do something different, right? And then you get trapped. Let's do something different. So fundamental analysis. So the docs are, these are questionable. We have a problem here. We never, another thing is, we never look at the logical framework of a decision making. I am only going to talk about the logical framework of a decision making. How do we reach that particular point? where we push the button. The entire process from A to B. This is what I am trying to, inculcate in you, because this is what I've learned. This is the only thing that I've learned. Rest is very easy. So usually we do this. And what we are going to do? No tips. We are going to actually, हमको मेहनत करना अपने पैसे के लिए. Okay? Remember, ये मेहनत आपको बाद में रंग देती है. कैसे? You stop making mistakes in your life. What are we aiming for? What's our objective? Not merely make money. That's a great one. Of course it is going to be make money. But that is secondary. What's our objective?
Keep the capital intact.
Keep your capital intact.
Keep your capital
Intact.
profit without.
Profit बाद में. अब भूल जाओ profit. याद रखिए आप. एक स्टडी हुआ था. Okay, let me just give you that study. You know why? There is everything. Please question me. Why are you saying this? You will always find a reason behind it, and that reason can be logically proven. Okay, I am trying to take speculation out of speculation. Take speculation out of it. There won't be any speculation at all. So we are trying to make money? No, that is secondary. We are trying to capital preservation. Correct? So how do you do it? We are not going to take tips. No news. Fundamental analysis. I am not a chartered accountant. I am not going to go there. Anybody who's better than me, in fact, some of you may be better than me right now in the profit and loss account analysis. Okay, I am an MBA. I have done my financial management, financial accounting, management accounting. I have forgotten it, I don't know, 20 years back. Okay, I am not going there. Does it work? Yes, of course. Otherwise, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala would have been a pauper. Okay, must be working. This must be working. Then comes our model. I have spent 20 years of my life trying to perfect this. My accuracy rate of my model, and I'll show it to you over here. My accuracy rate of my model is a minimum of 95%. I will show you an account where I have got 100% efficiency. It is possible. And this is not magic. And we are going to do it the hard way. We are not going to do it the easy way. Okay? We are going to do the hard way. Now, does it mean that when I show you the entire thing and I'm willing to give you everything that I've got? I don't care. Why? Because I don't care. Why? Because I can make that money again. So if you are making money utilizing my ideas, perfectly all right. In fact, I'd be a lot happier, because what I'm trying to inculcate is scientific statistical thinking. That's all I want to do.